A one pot wonder orange soap with a partial gel. Can she soap it and fix it? I'd put this in the oven to CPOP as usual. For some reason, I took it out somewhere between 2 and 4 hours and didn't leave it in the oven overnight like I normally do. I guess I figured it had extra sugars from the coconut milk, which I now know only has 1 gram of sugar per serving. It had already begun to gel, and it's in this really thick nurture soap mold. I mean, many soapers leave their soaps out on the counter and achieve full gel, so I thought I was probably good. However, I ended up with a partial gel. In an attempt to fix this, I preheated the oven to 170 degrees, turned it off, and put the partially cut loaf back in the oven until I got home from work. I finished cutting the soap, and it still looked like it needed to finish gelling. So I laid the bars on a covered cookie sheet and put them back in the oven. They finally evened out for the most part, except for a couple of bars that just wanted to stay funny. I think this is a really interesting example of how some orange micas are sensitive to heat. You can see how the atomic orange is an entirely different color inside versus outside the gel ring. You can also see at the bottom how red the orange marmalade was before it went through gel phase. How cool is that?